Welcome to our guide on estate planning. Today, we're diving into the key differences and benefits of a will versus a living trust. Estate planning is crucial for ensuring your assets are managed and distributed according to your wishes, providing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. First, let's clarify what an estate is in the context of planning. An estate includes everything a person owns and owes at the time of death, encompassing all assets and liabilities. When someone passes away, their estate must go through a legal transfer process to pass assets to the intended heirs. Next, let's look at one of the most common estate planning tools, the will. A will is a legal document specifying who receives your property, who manages your estate, who becomes the guardian of minor children, and outlining funeral or burial wishes. The primary issue with a will is that it typically requires probate, which is a court-supervised process for validating the document and distributing the estate. Probate involves verifying the will, identifying assets, paying debts and taxes, and finally distributing the inheritance. While it offers court supervision and validation, it can also be time-consuming and public. It's important to know that beneficiary designations on accounts like retirement funds and life insurance policies override the instructions in your will. If you pass away without a will, your estate will be distributed according to state law, known as intestate succession, which may not align with your true wishes. Now let's explore an alternative to the will, the living trust. A living trust is a legal entity established during your lifetime to hold assets. A common type is a revocable living trust, which allows you to maintain control. With a living trust, you transfer ownership of your assets to the trust while naming a trustee, often yourself initially, to manage them for the beneficiaries. The major benefit of a living trust is that assets held within it typically bypass the time-consuming and often costly probate process entirely. A revocable trust allows you to change its terms, but an irrevocable trust cannot generally be altered after its creation, offering different levels of control and protection. Whether you choose a will or a living trust, planning your estate is a vital step towards securing your legacy. Consult with a legal professional to determine the best path for your circumstances.